This is part 2 of the 4th of July fireworks stash, and this time the budget was $200 and something dollars. It wasn't $550 like it was the first time, but yeah, it's not like we got huge 500 gram cakes, but we did get a bunch of 200 gram cakes and other nice things and assortments, whatnot. So we got 5 bags, I think. Yeah, 5 bags to go through. We went to like 6 different tents, and we ended up going to like the TNT warehouse, blackjack, fireworks. So yeah. So first up we have Silver Cascade. This is $4. Red and blue. American Muscle. And Zombie Prom, which was $3. On to the next bag, we got a lot more bigger 200 gram cakes. Happy Clown Bomb, $15. Crypto, $8. 1-inch artillery shells, little ball shells. And Killer Panda by Cutting Edge. This was $25. No, I think that was 15 or 25, I don't know. Next we got these Roman candles. These are Heavy Shot by Top Gun. These are Roman candles with an actual break. Here's the next bag. This is from the TNT warehouse. So these are the items we got from the TNT warehouse. It was actually really expensive, but then at other times it was like they had some cheap items. So like these were $5. It was alright. They're just normal Roman candles. This is also $5 for 4. That's also alright. And then festival ball shells for $8, which is actually pretty good. Everywhere else was selling the same kind of artillery shells for $15 a box. So 2 boxes of those for $8 is not bad. On to the next bag. This is more little items. So just novelties, tanks, whatnot. Box of tanks with reports. These are pretty good. Some Poppets. I only bought this because of Goku. I like Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball's really cool. Very fun show to watch. This is 50 cents. I think it just shoots snakes out the end. I don't know. Some Jumping Jakes. Got these for 79 cents. Got a few of those. Here's a free Papa John's coupon. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. You're welcome to steal it. Some Speedballs. That was $1. Some more Jumping Jakes. And it's not Jumping Jacks, it's literally Jakes. It's spelled like Jake. And then some more. And then we got some Buzz Bangs for like $3. So like $1 a pop. Not too bad. And then for the final bag, we got 2 packs of 10 ball crackling candles, Roman candles. by Red Lantern. We got a world-class assortment. It's called Rattle and Roll. There you go. It's a little $30 assortment. I'm gonna unbox it. I don't know where to put it. I'll just leave it there. And then got another zombie prom for $3. And pirate for $6. Let's see. This is the biggest thing we ended up getting. Some Quest shells by Brothers. There's a side. You can open up the box. Take a look at the sleeve. This is how the sleeve looks. There you got your shells. Not too bad. $60 for 12. For some reason, canister shells just tripled in price out of nowhere. A box of 24 cans go for like $150 now, even though they used to be nowhere near that. It's probably $80 for just one. And Excaliburs were $60 a box, but now Excaliburs are $130 a box, and those used to be the cheapest canister shells you can get for the best quality. But yeah, other than that, this is about it for the fireworks that I got down in Washington. Okay, but yeah, that is it for part 2. Not making another part. This is it. This is the final thing. I'll probably make a final fireworks stash where I just put everything together and just show everything off. Because, well, that's probably, yeah, just take the 2 parts, put it into one, recycle content, easy, done and go. And I hope I see you in the next video. Goodbye.